morning, my friends, and welcome back. I wanted to show you how I took these plain old jars from my house and I added these solar lids on top of them, which charge out in the sun during the day, and then at night they turn into these beautiful little luminaries once we have decoupaged them. So here's how they look when it's totally dark after they've charged all day in the sun, and these can be hung outside, these can be put on little tables. They just need to be charged during the day. So I'll show you how I got this done. And just a quick reminder, I do have an ebook on Amazon. The links will be down below. This answers a whole lot of your questions and refers you back to videos to help you with problems you may be having with decoupage. I'm going to put this video to music, but I did want to explain one thing that I did. There's a dimensional paint that I made myself because I couldn't find the exact color. So I experimented with some colors on my own to see which one matched my napkin the best. I then made some dimensional paint. You can buy these dimensional paints though. I just wanted a more exact color, and I'll put links down below for those, or you can just Google or YouTube instructions on how to make your own dimensional paint because there's several different recipes. So with that said, I will put this video to music. Thank you for subscribing. You'll notice what looks like a pair of scissors in the bottom right hand corner of this video, and that would be where you click to subscribe. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.